What's going on, everybody? This is Phil with Millennial Money Gains, and in today's video we are going to be doing a stock analysis on the stock NXTID. Ticker symbol is NXTD. So if you guys are hyped for this video, if you guys can, just please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel and I really do appreciate that. Also, if you can hit that subscribe button, I post here at least 2 times per week. Sometimes I'll post more, and we do investing, stock analysis, all these different types of videos. But with that being said, let's hop right into the video. NXTD is currently trading at around 75 cents a share, so it is very cheap. It is listed on all brokerages, including Robinhood, for all you Robinhooders out there. I know I use Robinhood, and now I'm moving more into Webull, but I do still use Robinhood for just a little bit of diversification between the brokerages. So, with that being said, let's hop right into on this stock and let's see if we should buy it or not. So what is NXTID? So they have extensive experience in access control, biometric and behavior metric identity verification, security and privacy, encryption and data protection, payments, miniaturization and sensor technologies. Through its subsidiary LogicMark LLC is a manufacturer and distributor of non-monitored and monitored personal emergency response systems sold through dealers, distributors, and the United States Department of Veterans Affairs. So, what exactly do they do? So they're mobile security for a mobile world. So LogicMark products have revolutionized the personal emergency response system industry by incorporating two-way communication technology directly in the medical alert pendant. With a focus on innovation, LogicMark provides a unique offering of medical alert systems that contribute to improving the quality of life for those choosing to continue to live independently. LogicMark is a wholly-owned subsidiary of NXTID. So the main reason this one has shown up on my radar is due to the institutional investors. So it currently has 46 institutional owners, in which 45 million shares outstanding, and institutions own about 9% of that. So what stuck out to me the most is that Morgan Stanley, they bought a small amount of 20,000 shares at an average share price of $1.50. Like I said, this stock is now sitting at 75 cents or so. We will be going over the chart later on in the video, but for now, let's just move on to the next one. Susquehanna International Group has 1.1 million shares at an average cost of $1.41. Now that is a decent amount of shares. I mean, it's about $2 million or so, $3 million or so that they're spending on it. But these companies aren't there to lose money, right? These hedge funds and institutions, they're not there to lose money. They do dabble a bit in different stocks, but they are not here to lose money. Next, Vanguard, on May 14th, they purchased almost 2 million shares at $1.50. So that's another big name there, Vanguard, at share price of $1.50. It's sitting at about half that right now. So can we see potential earnings of this company in the future? We're going to look further into the company and see exactly if this is somewhere I want to put my money or if it is not. So this is their revenue from 2020, 2019, and 2018 respectively, reading from left to right. So 2020 they had $11 million in revenue. In 2019, they had $17 million in revenue, and in 2018, they had $17 million in revenue. So, they are, as you can tell, decreasing in revenue. They matched their 2018. In 2019, they matched the revenue, but they are decreasing. In 2020, they only had about $11 million in revenue, and I'm not happy with that. I mean, obviously with companies you want to see them progress. Sometimes different companies will have bad years, but you want to see companies progress in their revenue. This is a press release from February 9th of 2021. So NXTD announced today it has made a prepayment of approximately $5 million in principal of its senior secured debt. As a result of this prepayment, the company reduced the outstanding principal amount to approximately $5.7 million. CEO of NXT, Vincent Maselli, states, and I quote, "I'm pleased to report that we have nearly halved our debt load so early into 2021. The reduction in our debt will save us approximately $700,000 in interest costs annually. That savings will enable us to invest more capital in our business and play a key role in our continued ability to weather the COVID storm and better position us to get our new products to market quicker and open up new distribution channels, as we have indicated in our previous shareholder updates." Looking at the 1-year chart of NXTD, you can see that I have drawn out a pretty perfect line of support right here of around 75 cents. So as you can tell, old resistance becomes new support. So there was old resistance at around 75 cents, which it tested 3 times over there, and then got rejected all 3 times, and then finally it broke through, and now it's sitting on that support in which it tested twice, and it bounced back up. So I think 75 cents is a strong support. It hit a high of $3.44. That was sometime around March, and that's when everything was getting inflated ridiculously. So it has been on a downtrend ever since, but it does look like it's holding this nice support, and I do think I will be opening up a small position just based off of technicals, not based off of the charting, but it's on a nice area of support right now, and based off of the technicals, I will be opening up a position, a very small position with a very tight stop loss of around 65 cents. Based off of the company's revenue, I am not impressed at all, and I do think they do need to pick this up. But remember, 2020 was the year of COVID, so we cannot just base every company on how they did during 2020, because then every company would be pretty much a deadbeat company. But I do think that paying off their debt, a large portion of their debt, is a very bullish sign, and also the fact that all these institutional investors are investing in them, even if it's in small quantities. They do have a small market cap of about $40 million or so, and I do think I will be opening up a position here just based off of technicals and based off of those 2 bullish standpoints. As in terms for the company itself, I don't know if it would really a long-term play that I will be playing. I will just be playing the short-term price movement and not investing in them long-term. Alright guys, so I hope you all enjoyed that video on NXTD, that stock analysis. If you guys did, please make sure you smash that like button. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see next. Also, let me know if you guys are buying NXTD or not, or what you guys think about it. But with that being said, I'm going to be signing off here. I really do appreciate all of you for tuning in and spending a few minutes of your day with me. It really does warm my heart seeing everyone review my videos. So I really do appreciate that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we are growing as a family. We will continue to grow, and we will continue posting at least 2 times per week. But that being said, baby, we're going to sign off, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!